Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you all are doing great. Milk is an important part of our toddler's diet. It is considered to be a common and convenient food because it provides vitamin D, calcium, which are important for building bones, teeth, and muscle growth. It also provides protein, vitamin A, zinc, which are also essential for growth and development. Although it is important to drink milk, but it is also important to remember that it is only one part of a healthy diet. We cannot satisfy ourselves by just thinking that it is okay if a child is drinking milk and skipping his or her meals. It is not compulsory or necessary for each and every child to have milk. It is also important for all of us to know that what amount of milk, what type of milk should be consumed by our children. So let's talk about this in today's video. Cow's milk is generally preferred while introducing milk in our children. It has proteins which are very hard to digest. Such high concentrations of proteins and minerals can stress a newborn's kidney and can cause severe illness. It can also cause indigestion, improper absorption of various minerals, and also autoimmune diseases. Therefore, introducing animal milk before 12 months of age is not recommended. If you really want to introduce milk before 1 year of age, then you can use it as an ingredient in various food items which you cook for your child once your child is 9 months old. If the child doesn't have a family history of lactose intolerance or dairy allergy, he or she can be introduced cow's milk after 1 year of age. Mothers who are breastfeeding their children and want to continue with that should go ahead and do it because that is the best choice and best option for your children. Cow's milk can be introduced at 1 year of age but in small quantities. Initially, 20 to 30 ml of milk can be given once a day and gradually the quantities can be increased. It is very important to see whether the child is able to digest the milk without any issues or not. So keep a check over your child initially. Kids may reject cow's milk at first because it doesn't taste like the familiar breast milk or formula milk. It is difficult for them to transit from breastfeeding or bottle feeding. Experience of drinking from a cup can be very different. So in such cases, please don't force them. You can offer the milk after a few days again. You can also give them other dairy products like cheese, yogurt, curd or paneer. Just give them some time. Indian Academy of Pediatrics as well as American Academy of Pediatrics has recommended certain guidelines for milk consumption in children. For toddlers between 12 months to 2 years of age, 2 cups of milk or 16 ounces of milk should be given per day. For kids between 2 to 5 years and up till 9 years, 2 to 2.5 cups of milk or 16 to 20 ounces of milk can be given in a day. After 9 years, the amount of milk consumption can be increased up to 3 cups per day. This all is inclusive of all the dairy products like curd, yogurt, paneer and cheese. Initially, between 12 to 2 years of age, full fat or whole milk should be given as they provide the dietary fats needed for the growth and development. After age of 2, kids can switch to low fat or non-fat milk. Kids who are overweight or on the heavier side can be given low-fat milk from start. If there is any family history of obesity, heart disease or high cholesterol, you should talk to your doctor about what kind of milk should be given to the child. Many kids are not fond of drinking milk. They also don't like eating various dairy products. You don't have to worry much in such cases. Firstly, you should just check for any discomfort or any issues which child is facing after drinking milk. You can also consult the pediatrician in such cases. Secondly, you should explore the other calcium sources. If the child is 1 year and above, the calcium requirements can be met if he or she breastfeeds 4 to 5 times a day. You can also give other calcium-rich sources like green leafy vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, okra. You can also give tofu, soybean, nuts, fish bones, calcium-fortified soy beverages, etc. Avoid adding any sweetening agents syrups, flavoring agents to the milk so as to make your child drink it. If you really want, you can add cardamom powder, turmeric powder, or nut powder before serving the milk to your child. Milk should be offered in open cups, 360-degree cups, straw cups, or with spoons. All these are wonderful for feeding and speech development as they require more of coordination. Using sippy cups and bottles is not recommended as they interfere with the oral development of kids. Milk should be served during a meal. It is important because if the child is drinking milk between the meals, he or she will never get a chance to be hungry and will not eat properly. You look forward to feed your child every 2.5 to 3 hours. Therefore, the serving of the milk can be divided equally among those meals and can be offered to the child. You can also consider the option of measuring the amount of milk which has to be served over the entire day and can store it in a cup inside the refrigerator and can offer accordingly. Too much of cow's milk consumption can cause various problems. It is very important for all of us to know about it. If the child is drinking lots of milk, it can reduce his or her appetite for solids. This can also lead to a picky eater toddler. It is very important for all of us to make sure that child is also eating a variety of food items along with drinking milk. This is a very important time for the development of various food habits in children. If the toddlers are having too much of milk, they may be less hungry and less likely to eat iron-rich foods. Milk also decreases the absorption of iron and can also irritate the internal linings of intestine. This all can lead to iron deficiency, which can affect the growth and can lead to iron deficiency anemia. Kids may not have enough fiber if they are drinking lots of milk, which in turn can lead to constipation in kids. Excessive drinking of milk results in the extra calories which the child is getting. These extra calories causes the child to be full and not want to eat the nutritious foods. If the child is eating well, these extra calories can lead to their becoming overweight. Cow's milk has proteins which are hard to digest. Therefore, if the toddler is consuming a large amount of milk, it can cause indigestion problems and can lead to colic or acidity. Sometimes a dairy allergy or lactose intolerance can make it very difficult for a child to consume cow's milk. They may show symptoms like vomiting, stomach upset, and even diarrhea. Consult your doctor in such cases and talk about other alternatives like special formulas or plant-based milk. Soy milk is a plant-based milk which has similar nutritious value as that of cow's milk and can be considered in such cases. It is very important for all of us to start being aware about how much milk our children are drinking and begin to focus more on their food. Milk is important for their development, but we should not depend upon it to be a significant source of nutrition. We should make sure that our children are eating a wide variety of food items so as to meet with the other nutritional requirements. I hope the video was informative. If you like it, do share it with others. If you have any doubt, you can mention them in the comment box. You can mail us also. The details are in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Till then, take care and enjoy with your kids.